We were kids on the edge of the summer grass. You laughed like the world was yours to pass. I fell in the quiet, no words to explain. Just a boy with a heart already chained. Through high school halls and college nights, weddings, goodbyes, and fading lights, I watched you chase what you thought you'd find, while I stayed behind, still holding the line. Every promise you broke, every tear you let fall, I caught in my hands like it meant nothing at all. And I keep on loving you like it doesn't matter, like the knife in my chest is just background chatter. You twisted deeper with every careless word, every cold shoulder, every goodbye unheard. But I never strike back, never raise my voice. I just swallow the hurt, make the only choice to love you the same, through the storm and the pain. 40 years of rain, and I'd do it again. I know every scar on your beautiful soul, the dreams that you lost, the cracks in control. I've held you through nights when the darkness won, wipe tears from your face till the morning sun. You turn and you leave, find someone new, come back when it ends, like you always do. I open the door, pretend it's the first time, hide the fresh wounds, call it a sign. You say you're sorry, but the sorry's grown thin. Still I let you in, let the cycle begin. And I keep on loving you like it doesn't matter, like the ache in my bones is just old time chatter. You find ways to wound me that cut to the core, yet I stand in the silence and beg for more. No anger to give, no revenge in my heart, just a fool who can't stop where it all fell apart. Loving you blindly through the years and the shame. 40 years of rain, whispering your name. I could walk away, close the book, turn the page, find peace in the quiet, escape from the cage. But the thought of a world where you're not in my sky, it's emptier still than this slow suicide. So I'll carry the weight, let the memories bleed, stay true to the promise I made is a seed, that no matter the hurt, no matter the cost, I'd love you forever, no matter what's lost. And I'll keep on loving you like it doesn't matter, like the blood on my hands is just rain on the ladder. You hurt me again, and I'll smile through the light, 'cause loving you's all that I've known how to try. 40 years gone, and the clock keeps on turning, my heart keeps on burning. Forever you're learning that some loves don't die, they just quietly break. And I go on loving you for heaven.